Best photo book services. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Shutterfly. The company was founded in the year 1999 in California. The company has earned the reputation of top-notch and high-quality popular photos in the industry. The #1 company is providing smiles to the people since then. Ease of use, high. Best for classic photo books. Snapfish. You can avail the customized photo books from this company. The service providers have gone to the next level by offering the service on the website so you can get maximum out of the customized books. Ease of use, high. Best for classic photo books. Blurb. The company has gone further than the other contenders by offering the users and customers to make their own photo books and print them and sell professional quality books to earn profits and real money. Ease of use, high. Best for high-quality photo books. Mixbook. If you want to create your personal invitations with the pictures of your choice, this is the right place for you to start printing. The company also allows you to print photo books and customized items. Ease of use, moderate. Best for creative photo books. Adoramapix. You can display your most precious memories that have a special meaning in your life. The company allows you to make a display of your personal moments in customized ways and forms. Ease of use, high. Best for creative photo books. Click the link in the description to get more information. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to us and turn the notifications on.